mustard and tin fish curry. Process. Firstly, open the tin fish. You can use this opener because I found it to be very comfortable. I've included a link in the description. Separate the gravy and fish from the tin fish, and set it aside. Wash and cut the mustard greens into 2-inch pieces. After draining, set aside. In a pan, heat the oil until it is smoking hot, then fry the potatoes which were cut into cubes. Once it is cooked and the color turns golden, transfer them into a container. Now slightly fry the fish. After done, transfer into a plate. Now with the same oil prepare to cook the curry. If the oil looks less, add more and heat them for a while. Add bay leaves followed by onions, ginger, and garlic paste and cook until the onion is transparent. Tomatoes and salt. Add tin gravy and mix well and cook for a while. Add green mustard and cook for a minute. Add fried potatoes and fish. Add water and green chili and simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now open the lid and garnish with coriander. Ready to serve. Ingredients: 3 large handfuls Hangam mustard greens, tin fish, 1 medium chopped onion, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 green chilies, 2 shredded bay leaves, a small piece of crushed ginger. To taste, salt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.